What's poppin'? Hype the movement. Berserk. Super smart dad in my Cadillac DeVille. A lot of people talking damn fuck how they feel. Gangsta the gangsta real, recognize real. And I love to sit on leather while I'm gripping wood wheel. Super smart down in my Cadillac DeVille. A lot of people talking damn fuck how you feel. Gangsta the gangsta real, recognize real. And I love to sit on leather with the wood up on the wheel. Fuck y'all haters. I'm still gon' do it. Fuck y'all haters. I'm still gon' prove it. So much smoke that I can't see the pass it. Doing about 90, weaving in and out of traffic. It's like magic the way the legs be floating. Big body too, so you know I'm showboating. Cars in the way, but I ain't sitting on the ocean. I'm talking sound waves and they about to be broken. The barrier, 6 blunts going around, the more the merrier. I'm tearing this beat like a pit bull terrier. I'm loose and I'm all in your area. No way that I'm scared of you. The shit that I might pull out, then they gonna have to bury you. And they carry you in a casket, nothing left to put a suit on. You already know that I'm about to get my suit woo on. And that's all day, every day. Beast up on these motherfuckers in every way. I ain't even playing, y'all already fucking know that. I'm about to show you how I really stay strapped, loaded to the fucking team. Ain't no one to fuck with me, you already know. And that shit is on GP. Gangsta, that's Pyru, man, bitch, I thought you knew. Let's bang in this bitch. For sure though, I'll be riding in my photo. I'll ride it in slow-mo, going up off the dodo. So you know what I'm feeling stupid, this bitch feeling stupid too, man. I'm going dumb with it. Haters hating me, and the bitches getting spun with it. Talking about the tongue with it, you know I ain't licking clicks. You know what I'm talking about, the shit that I be spitting, bitch. Y'all hoes ain't ready. Y'all haters ain't ready. I push Cadillacs, I ain't riding Chevys. I push Cadillacs and I ain't riding Chevy. Super smart down in my Cadillac DeVille. A lot of people talking down, fuck how y'all feel. Riding around in my Cadillac DeVille. A lot of people talking down, fuck how you feel. Gangsta the gangsta real, recognize real. And I love to sit on leather while I'm gripping wood wheel.